Hi, that's me on site again, and this is a crawl space. And today we're looking at the unevenness of the main floor. And in this crawl space, I'm just going to show you what we can see here. So that's the crawl space. It's a robust foundation. It looks like we have a high water table here. You can see this post here. It's all fully rusted. And then we have a 6x6 post supporting the log up there. So what we're going to do here is come up with a way to support the log to minimize the unevenness upstairs. The logs are spaced at 24 inches centers. The logs are 6-inch deep by 10-inch diameter.
So, yup, that's the whole idea. Follow us for more actual site assessment content and learn more about structural engineering.